Looks like hard water stains to me. I think we're gonna have some staining left over, but let's just give it hell and see what happens. I'm just gonna squirt some stuff on. Look, it's Jif. A couple of scrubby things, juicy stuff. Nice. Mix it in with the Jif. Heavy duty. Usually circles, different sort of directions, and hard gap. It's gonna hurt tomorrow. Oh, change hands. Rinse it off, see how we go. This will not come up like this. Juicy stuff. This is not going to be a one-handed job, by the way. Spread it around. Any more juicy stuff. And yes, that's my foot holding the door. Okay, we use the same stuff on the taps. Even though you can't see it, the tiles are the same as the glass. And we do have to do the same to those. See if we can get more of this. Have to do. Oh, that's shower power, by the way. It's a gel. It's good. I like it. I do prefer to use a gel or a cream. So I don't like sprays. Just breathe them in all the time. Now we're going to have to get really scrubby. I'm going to need 2 hands to get this done. I'll be back. Oh, I'm buggered. You can feel it. Probably hear it. This one will be reduced. I can't see this all coming off. Alright, swap hands, buggered. Water. Let's go. One of these handles make this so much easier. You probably get the white ones in the supermarket. They're not as strong as this. This is a coarser one. Blue's the middle. These come in 3 different colors. One's white, one's blue, one's black. And the black is like super goddamn scrubbing. So blue's my favorite. But you definitely want something that you can put your weight behind. And I've got a bit of weight to put behind it. Ooh. You're wondering why there's 2? That's why. Well, we'll cross our fingers on that bit. All right, last bit. Wasn't too bad. Just make sure it's clean. If you are using a creme cleanser and it's been sitting up there for a while, before you rinse it, wet the brush and just go over it. It'll just loosen it up, otherwise it just won't come off and it'll stay all powdery. Time to get wet. All right. Oh, 2 hands. Throw him out. Don't forget up here, it's always forgotten. And down in between this as well. This is just getting the excess water. I'll dry it with a cloth. Now, one of the things about using a cream cleanser, you can see here, it'll get stuck in there. And you do need to make sure that you get it out. The microfiber cloth will help with that. When I do that last. Okay, we can go. Now when I'm doing a shower, I will usually dry the glass first because I want the cloth to be pretty dry. Tiles get done last. Change hands. One-handed cleaning. Put the foot on it. I think it's going to look all right. So I usually go for the stainless steel next. The chrome. Okay, tiles. Okay, so it's just the base. I need to get rid of the cream cleanser first. You can see it in the things with all the white bits. And then dry it. Same as everything else. Everything looks clean when it's dry. Okay, I'll dry the rest of that. I'll show you first. Gotten a lot of it off, but there's still some in there, and that's annoying. I'm sure if I killed myself further, I could get it back to something a bit more like this. That means doing about 3 times what I just did. Dry the floor. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Okay. Surprising. I'm happy. Oh.